Yep, about to get that sucker off of there. Rim Pros got me right. A 1-day turnaround. And if you can see here, I actually just nicked the tire. The rim popped right after that, but let me get you a look at that. They were able to repair it, and the area here to here, if you can really see where they had to touch up on the paint and stuff like that, but I was able to save the rim, get the rim fixed. 1-day turnaround, good service, and I didn't even have to buy another tire, which I did look up. When I bought these AZ850s, I got the warranty on them, so really I still got like 2 years on the warranty. But if so, I'd be able to swap it out. Now, yeah, there's a little dings and stuff like that, but shoot, I can live with that, I can roll with that, and I ain't got to spend no more money. Did run me about $220 to get it fixed, but shoot, that beats buying a new wheel. But, you know, it's good to have another one, full-size spare, so I won't have to go through that again. So we'll see. All right. Got it fixed, got it done, about to get it on. That's a wrap.